Love it or hate it, social media is very important these days and can be an integral part to running a successful business. One of the biggest downsides of social media though is it can be very time consuming, as you have to deal with posting all over the place and it can be a real drag. Thankfully now there's a lot of plugins available for your WordPress site to make this process easier and more streamlined. Today I've got 5 of the best social media plugins for your website to share. I'll talk about them and go over some of their features and what makes them special. And at the end of the video, I'll show you my #1 pick for the best social media plugin for your WordPress site. And we'll kick this list off with Monarch. Monarch is one of our very own plugins, but there are a lot of reasons that make it an excellent choice for social sharing. Monarch is a social sharing plugin that includes several unique features which differentiate it from the other tools. You can use this solution to add social sharing buttons in 5 different locations on each page. There are multiple sharing button styles and support for over 20 social media platforms. One of the features that sets Monarch apart is that it enables you to add social sharing buttons for your images and videos. If you want full control over the style and behavior of your social sharing buttons, or you want to display social sharing buttons using pop-ups, Monarch is an excellent option. Licenses for Monarch start at just $89 per year. Monarch is such a flexible and powerful tool, and if you want to try it for yourself, go down to the video description below and click the link. That'll take you to the page where you can download and try it yourself today. Let's continue on with this list, and number 2 is Blog2Social. Being active on social media is key if you want to grow your follower count and get more attention for your site. If you publish content regularly, you can benefit from using Blog2Social to share it on social media. This plugin enables you to connect WordPress with over a dozen social media platforms and schedule posts from within your dashboard. You'll also get access to a social media content calendar, which you can use to schedule posts or share WordPress content to multiple accounts. Essentially, Blog2Social enables you to run almost every aspect of your social media accounts from WordPress, except responding to your followers. There's a free version of this plugin with premium licenses starting at $29 per month. Up next on our number 3 spot is Spotlight Social Feeds. If you run a personal blog or a portfolio, embedding your Instagram feed in WordPress can be a smart move. You can use your feed to show visitors a bit of who you are, or to share some of your best work. Spotlight Social Feeds lets you display your feed using multiple styles. This plugin lets you customize the layout of your feed and even sort through your posts. You can add custom bio text and a follow button alongside each feed. Moreover, you can use blocks, widgets, or shortcodes to place your feeds wherever you want on your site. If you're looking to show off your Instagram feed, or you want to boost your number of followers on social media, Spotlight Social Feeds could be for you. There's a free version of this plugin with premium licenses starting at just $39 per year. Number 4 on our list is 10Web Social Post Feed for Facebook feeds. If your website's social media presence revolves around Facebook, then 10Web Social Media Feeds should be right up your alley. You can use this plugin to connect your Facebook profile with WordPress and enable a feed that displays your social media content. You can select what post will appear in your WordPress Facebook feed and customize its style. 10Web Social Post Feed lets you add an unlimited number of feeds and place them anywhere you want on your site. If you have a Facebook page for your WordPress website and you want to show its feed on any of your pages, then 10Web Social Post Feed is perfect for you. This plugin offers a free version with premium licenses starting at $85 for 6 months. And the final plugin on this list is Social Wall. Social Wall is a robust social media plugin for WordPress that allows users to display social posts from multiple platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It creates a dynamic, real-time social media feed by aggregating and displaying user-generated content from multiple social media platforms. Social Wall doesn't require any coding or special knowledge to set up, and this makes it easy for your site's visitors to engage with your audience in new ways. You can showcase your social media presence and increase your chances of acquiring new followers. It's super easy to set up, offers multiple social feeds with no limitations, and is search engine accessible. If you need to display multiple social media feeds, want a plugin that's easy to use and set up, and need a responsive solution for your social feeds, then you might want to give Social Wall a chance. There is a free version of this plugin, and premium licenses start at $149 per year. Between all of the plugins that I shared with you today, I'm sure you're able to find one that meets the needs for what you're looking for. But since this is a top 5 list, there can only be number 1, and that number 1 choice is Monarch. Again, if you want to check out Monarch, there is a link down in the video description below. You can click that, it'll take you to the Monarch page, and you can check it out for yourself. Again, Monarch may be a plugin that we make ourselves, but its ease of use, flexibility, and power make it an excellent plugin for social sharing. You can choose exactly where you want your social links to display, and you can fully customize exactly how you want your buttons to look as well. Everything from changing your icon shape to your display settings here, and even changing all of the colors to whatever you want them to be to match your site design, you have full control over your social sharing buttons. You're able to manage all of your social networks that you want to use, as well as your widget settings, to make sure you have the perfect social sharing buttons that are effective and simple to use. Because of all of this, that's why we chose Monarch to be our #1 plugin for social media sharing. But that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you're able to find a plugin that fits your needs. But before you go, make sure you check out some of our other videos we have, including one we did on the 3 best translation plugins you can get for WordPress, and we'll see you in the next video.